time to discover your inner calm. Imagine this. It's 2025, and life is bustling all around you. But here you are, carving out a moment of pure tranquility, just for yourself. Take a deep breath in, and slowly let it out. Feel the air filling your lungs, and then gently leaving. This simple act brings you back to the present moment. In our fast-paced world, mindfulness is your anchor. It's not about stopping thoughts, but noticing them, letting them pass like clouds in the sky, without judgment. Find a quiet spot. It could be your bedroom, a park bench, or even your office chair. Close your eyes and listen, really listen, to the sounds around you. The hum of the AC, the rustle of leaves, the distant chatter. Every sound becomes a part of your meditation. Feel the connection with your surroundings. Notice the sensations in your body, the weight of your feet on the ground, your hands resting in your lap, the rise and fall of your chest. These are your anchors to the here and now. Mindfulness in 2025 is not just a practice. It's a way of living. It's about finding peace in the chaos and clarity in the noise. When stress hits, remember to pause and breathe. In those moments, imagine a calm ocean. Your thoughts are the waves, some big, some small, but you are the deep blue sea, vast and serene. Now, gently open your eyes. Take this sense of calm with you into your day. Let it be a reminder that you can always find peace within yourself. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover your inner calm. Let's make 2025 the year of mindfulness, one breath at a time. Until next time, stay mindful and stay peaceful.